Hi friends, welcome to another video, another lecture. Friends, it's over the last video we are finished to our course. In this video, I will teach you how to make your letterhead for your company or brand or freelancing you are working. You can make your own creative letterhead for your company. This is the size of the letterhead. As you know, I will be teach you in the next. This letterhead 612792. It's the pixels, and this is the size of letterhead. Just like as you can make another simple like letterhead in A4 page. So first of all, I will be show you something about my YouTube channel. So this is the name of my YouTube channel, Saki Design Studio. You can go on YouTube and you can search Saki Design Studio, subscribe and like this channel and get more videos on more lectures. So come to the point, come to the lecture. So it is very easy and it's very simple. Just we can play with the same pen tool here. Just drag on here, click, and just play with our circle. We can play with dark blue, and I have already put their logos on another video. This one is logo. This is already I make it, but it's not for you, it's for you. So just this is a travel letterhead design. It's not for professional, just it's a practice for you. Just you can practice it and make your own professional. Control C, Control F for click on here, drag on the yes. It's very easy. You can play here. It's very easy. This one is we can size is very normal. It's like a mark. Wow, it's very easy. So you can put here email, phone number, or anything else, just like as address. Select both of these. So it's very bold font, but we can select another font for just like as it's very simple. So if we can small here, 14 is very good for us. You can put here email address and address, phone number, anything you can put here. So I hope you like this. It's very simple and clean letterhead for the company. I hope you like my videos and my course. Thank you for watching those, and like my channel, subscribe my channel. You can go on the Facebook, you can write on the Saki Design Studio. I am available on the Facebook. You can search on Instagram. This is the same name, Saki Design Studio. I will give you the best design or lectures and videos. You can text me on my email address on put there on my channel. I have already put on my channel. You can email me from my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.